I'm cooking pumpkin omelette. Just finished pumpkin omelette. Just ready the pumpkin. Put the corn plain flour, eggs, 1 egg, 1/4 pumpkin. Yeah. And then, yeah. And then, and every size is use this 1 spoon. Soup spoon, guys, for Chinese spoon. Like that. Yeah. And yummy. So guys, it's yummy. Yummy, yummy. Simple, but it's yummy, guys. Oops. Pumpkin omelette. Yes. So much oil, guys, because of our air fry. Dun 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 dun. Yan, lalagyan natin siya ng konting mantika again, guys. Ayan. Konti lang para hindi ano yung ating omelette. Here, so ayan. Sobrang liit na to. Ay, some ay, kaminis na. Oops. It's okay, guys, diba? Yan. This one. My flame is finished product. Finish cooking, guys. Just only a little oil, guys, para hindi siya parang pancake lang. But this is omelette, guys. Maganda pala pag maliit lang siya kasi mabilis siya maluto. Kanina medyo malaki. Okay, guys. Ayan na. Parang ano lang siya. Diba? Parang pancake. Pumpkin pancake na ang labas. I'm using only, guys, for 1/4 pumpkin and then I shredded pumpkin na medyo mapino siya. And then ilagay ko siya ng plain corn flour. Also egg. Nilagay ko is 1 egg. Ay 2 eggs lang siya kasi small size ang egg natin. Tapos, tinimplahan lang, guys. Konting salt, white pepper, black pepper. Saka, plain corn flour ang ginamit ko dito. Nilagyan ko siya ng konting cornstarch, guys. Para hindi siya masyadong may dikit. Ito pa, may natira pa ditong konti. Lagay na natin siya. Pusin na natin to kasi kukunti na lang. Yan. But, ihuhulog na natin dito. Yan na, yan na. Naniregpot kita. Kasi yung ating fire is low fire. Kaya natin slow fire. Para pantay-pantay yung luto na. Pantay-pantay. Yan, di ba? Mas maganda pala pag maliit. Ito na hindi na gumalaw kasi sobrang liit na. Iba-ibang size nito. Kanina, perfect size ito guys. Normal lang sa ito, maliliit mo. Nalala ko kasi batang maliit ko mga ikakain para 1 bite lang yan. 2 bites din yan. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching and make a love shout out to all my viewers. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, Duck Lifestyle, and always touch notification bell for updated for my videos from Hong Kong to Philippines, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. God bless us all. Ay, nasunog. Ay, nasunog naman ito. Sunog. Yan. Bye.
Yes, DJ. Yes, DJ.